magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Hi there, ukulele friends. This was a request from YouTube, and I'm looking at, wow, I haven't done this song. Let's get on it right now. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do some really smooth chord transitions. I'm going to use some alternate fingerings, which may help make those chord transitions easier, and I will help demystify the strumming and give you some options on what to do. Grab your ukulele. Let's do this together. Let's go over those chord fingerings, and I'm going to show you some alternate fingerings that might make this song easier. You have a C, and that's how most people play their C. Consider swapping your ring finger on the C for your middle finger every time you're singing the first line of the verse or the chorus. That will make it easier for you just to hop over to an E minor, which comes next. So this finger is already in the 3rd fret, and then you hop it over to your E string. Index finger goes on the A string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger reaches across to the C string 4th fret. Sure, you can do it this way, and that's how I do it, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Less motion this way might be helpful to you. We also have an F. F like this. We also have A minor. You might consider when you do the A minor, because you're going to go to a D7 every time, is play your A minor with your index finger. And then this finger is ready to come right down, because we're going to play an easy D7. So A minor to D7 is just adding a finger that way instead of going A minor and then moving and putting another finger down. So there you have it, some alternate fingerings. Do I use them? No, I'm not. In all honesty, they aren't that helpful for me because, well, you know, I've been doing this for a while and I'm more practiced at it. But if it helps you, please consider using them, because I want you to get this song to be able to share it with kids, grandkids, school libraries, classrooms. I think all children should know this song, and you can help with that. Let's talk about our strumming. You have some options. You could play a 2-beat strum all the way through this song. Each of the chords in the chord chart and in the play-along that are not highlighted in yellow are going to get 2 2-beat strums. Like, here's the first line. Puff the magic dragon live by the sea. Every time you see a chord in yellow, they're only going to get 1 2-beat strum. So second line, and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. So that's how you negotiate those yellow strums. But you could also do the island strum. I'll play it on the C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The island strum is so useful in making the ukulele sound good, but it's not, you know, it's not the easiest strum to do. I will put a link down below on how to learn the island strum if that's on your bucket list of things to do. If you already know it, listen here, or actually play along with me. We'll just do those first 2 lines. 1, 2, here we go. Pop the magic dragon, live by the sea, and frolicked in the C and A minor and E Honolulu. So again, you have to use those 2 beat strums on the C and A minor, and that gets you through it with the island strum. But let me show you some hacks in order to make those transitions smoother. Let's take a look at the C to E minor. I'm going to put my strum right up here so you can see everything. If you lift up your finger on an up strum and play an A minor 7, that gives you half a beat to get your fingers in place. So if you're doing a 2-beat strum on the C, you're going down, down, up, down, lift that finger up and strum up, and then E, down, up, down, down. And then, so you could do the same thing on E minor to F. Down, down, up, down, down, up, F, down, up. And then getting back to C is no problem. You can use this hack anytime you have a more challenging chord transition where you've got to move a lot of fingers. And not only is it a hack, but it also sounds really cool too. If you're doing the island strum, same thing. On that last up strum, play an A minor 7 and get your fingers in place. So I'll show you that C to E on the island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, C. So that is just really a useful tool for this song, for like any other song that gives you those interesting transitions that you go like, I just wish I had more time. Well, you can give yourself more time. Before we dive into a play along, let's do just a really slow chorus and first verse, keeping it nice and slow. I've got a metronome in my ear to keep me honest about the slowness of it. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. Pop the magic dragon, live by the sea, and frolic in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Oh, Puff. I hope that helped you. Let's go along to the more up-tempo play along. Don't forget, you can always use speed controls in YouTube to slow me down if you need to. I'm going to play it with an island strum, but if you're doing 2-beat strum, just remember 2 for each of the chords that aren't in yellow, and for everybody, if they're in yellow, they get 1 2-beat strum. Your starting pitch, Puff the Magic Dragon. 1, 2, here we go. Puff the magic dragon, lived by the sea, and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Puff the magic dragon, lived by the sea, and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him string and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Oh, Puff the magic dragon, lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Together they would travel on a boat with billowed sail. Jackie kept a lookout perched on Puff's gigantic tail. Noble kings and princes would bow whenever they came. Pirate ships would lower their flags when Puff roared out his name. Oh, Puff the magic dragon, lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Puff the magic dragon, lived by the sea paper came no more, and Puff, that mighty dragon, he ceased his fearless roar. Oh, his head was bent in sorrow, green scales fell like rain. Puff no longer went to play along the cherry lane without his lifelong friend. Puff could not be brave, so Puff, that mighty dragon, sadly slipped into his cave. Oh, Puff, the magic dragon, lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist, land called Honolulu. Puff, the magic dragon, lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Oh, of course, everybody thought that that was such a sad ending, right? But is it sad? I mean, we do need to grow up, right? But, you know, let's hope that Jackie Paper kept that spirit of youth inside and lessons from being able to play along with your imagination. So that's my little philosophical bent on this song. If you want, I'll put a link down for this below. In Jim's song book, some people call it Oz Because, there's 2 extra verses that are added that are a little bit more hopeful. It continues the story a bit more. So thank you so much for listening to the end. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all of you all, and especially my patrons, because I really couldn't be here without your help. So thank you so very much. I hope to catch you in the next video, and YouTube should be suggesting something right about now. Take care, my friends.